Welcome back to level 3 of lesson 25, reordering code. Placing code inside functions makes it easy to read and make changes to. Good names for functions indicate what your program is doing to a reader. You can call your functions in a different order to quickly make significant changes to how your programs run. Do this. The program has already created 4 functions that draw parts of a scene. Unfortunately, it's not coming out right. Read the 4 functions to understand what each one does. Call the functions in an order that draws the scene in the way that looks best to you. Drag out a MyFunction block for each of the functions. Replace the MyFunction in this block with the name of the functions created in the program. Rearrange the order that you call these functions blocks to see the effects of calling them in a different order as the scene. All right, so we have draw background, draw trees, draw clouds, draw fence. All right, so I'm going to start with draw background. And then we have, I think I'm going to do draw clouds next. So draw clouds. And then I think I'm going to do draw trees. And then I'm going to finish off with draw fence. Now I have no idea if this is right or not. I'm just picking a place to start. Here we go. Run. Okay. So I think I made the right choice in doing the background and then the clouds, because the clouds are behind the trees. I kind of like that. The fence is in front of the trees. However, I'm wondering if I did this. Okay, I would say that this looks good, except we can see some of the fence poking out underneath it. So I think I'm going to go back to how I originally had it. And there we go. I like this one the most. So here we go. With that, I think we're done. And you can see all of the code that's actually happening here and how easy it is once you set those up once, how easy it is to go back and work with your shortcuts. So that's the whole point of functions. Functions are extremely powerful and very, very helpful as you code. So with that, we're going to finish and I will see you on level 4.